Hi, this is Jenna, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete Module 1.2. So let me click on Modules so I can show you what I'm talking about. If you're ready for this implementation piece, then that means that you've already taken a look at the feedback that your coach gave you for 1.1 and you've answered all of the questions. And this assignment has been marked complete. So when you know that you're ready for implementation, you can click on it to get your directions. This is just a screenshot of the document so that you know what pieces you need to fill in. And the assignment directions are down here. So what you're going to do for this one is you are going to open up your Google Doc. Now remember, that is inside a shared folder, so a folder that was shared with you recently by your coach. So if you went to shared with me, you would be able to find it there. I'm going to open it. When somebody shares a folder with you, it's important that you add it to your drive. So I'm going to click this down arrow and then I'm going to click on add to my drive. That way I'll be able to access it. And if I really wanted to access it even faster, maybe I'm going to star it. So now it's going to be in my starred Google Drive. So here it is. So back to this folder. Remember in the last video I said that anything that you share in this is really only going to be between you and your coaches, your coach or coaches. My folder right now is opened up so that anybody can view, but I don't believe that that's how your folder is organized. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this doc and see that I need to take this feedback right here. And based on this, I'm going to implement a lesson or activity in the class, and this is where I want to show evidence of student work. So that could be in the form of videos, student samples, or images of students in action. So the way that I can insert things into this box, you know that if you have an image that you want to pull in, then you just go to wherever your image is and you can drag it into the box and it's there. Another option is to put your evidence in your coaching folder. So if you had something on your desktop that was a video, let me see if I have any videos in here. Yes, I do. So I can take this video and I can click and I can drag it into this coaching folder, or my other option is while I'm in this folder, if I say new file upload, I can search for this movie and open it. And maybe this is something that I did with my students. This could possibly be like a notice and wonder, where I'm trying to get my students to think of some mathematical questions that can come out of this. And once you have the movie in there, depending on how long it is, it might take a while before you can even view it, because if I double click it right now, it says it's still processing. If it's a short video, it's going to take a shorter amount of time to process, but if it's a really long video, then you're going to have to wait a little bit. But while you're waiting, you can get the link to this video. So I'm just going to control click this, or right mouse click, and I will get the shareable link to this video. And then I'm going to put video evidence here. Now I could either just paste the link right there and it turns into a working link, or if you don't like the look of that, then you can always just say video evidence. I can highlight this and then if you right mouse click, I can link this and I can paste the Google Doc video. Actually, it's not a Google Doc video, it's a Google Drive. And then your coach will be able to click on here and then it'll take you straight to the movie. And as soon as it's processed, then your coach should be able to play it. Okay, so let's pretend that's my evidence. And then I can add any more evidence I want in here, or I can just move straight on to the reflection. So I'll type a reflection about how the lesson went, about maybe some information about the video evidence that I put in, and then you're going to go into your assignment and paste the link to this Google Doc. So I'm going to copy the link for this document, and I will go into this 1.2 assignment and I'm going to submit, and I will submit as a website URL because it is a Google Doc. The other option would be for you to give access to your Google Drive and then you can click on that. But I'll just do it this way, and if I wanted to add a comment for my coach, I can add a comment there, but if I don't, I'm just going to click Submit Assignment, and now it says that it's submitted. I can actually see what my teacher sees or what the coach sees, and this is exactly what they will see. And they can click right on this link to get directly into your document, and they're going to go in and they're going to use the comment button to give you feedback. And just like the last module, you're going to go in and you're going to reply to every question, and once you reply to all the questions, then this assignment will be marked as complete. So that is how you fill out this implementation piece for assignment 1.2.